Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a Korean glass makeup routine which has been trending these days. This makeup look is easy to achieve and can be created within 10 minutes, so let's get started. So for the first step, I'm using Lotus's Pro Edit Glow Stroke Creme, which is basically a stroking creme, and I'm using it as a base, as a primer to give that glowy glass-like finish. As you can see, it's very shiny, and this can also be used as a highlighter. I'm using it all over the face, especially my cheek area. The next step would be to go for the foundation, and the idea is to have glass like finish, so I'm using the Lotus's Eco Stay Serum Infused Foundation. I really love this foundation because it has this water like consistency, and for skin like me which is more of dry, this serum is just so perfect. And this step is highly recommended that you use a fixing spray. I'm using Lotus's fixing spray in between so that I get a very dewy finish. Korean glass makeup routine is all about makeup that looks just like skin, and that's what exactly the fixing spray would help in. So now that the foundation is set in, I'm going to go in with the concealer, and I'm using Lotus's Eco Stay Concealer in shade Nude Beige. So the skin around my eyes is kind of dry and I need a concealer which kind of hydrates my skin, and this concealer is just so perfect because this one is also serum infused. The next step would be to go for blush highlighter duo. So I'm using this particular highlighter duo around my eye area. The eye makeup is very minimal, so I'm just using it little bit around the waterline and little bit on the eyelids, not too much. The idea for the eye makeup is to go very subtle and not too loud. And also I'm using the highlighter in the center of the lid and also in the inner corner. One quick tip would be to use the fixing spray on the brush before you pick up the product from the highlighter. This will make your highlighter pop even more. So for the blush, I'm going Lotus's Eco Stay Butter Matte Lip, which is in shade Divine Brown as the blush. And it is a nice nude brown shade which can be worn every single day. And for the lipstick, I have applied Red Rave in the center, and for the whole lips, I have applied Divine Brown, and I'm going to top it off with Lotus's Pro Edit Lip Plumper as the clear gloss to give that glassy finish, and finishing it off with the fixing spray. And this is the final look. It's an easy everyday look. And what do you guys think about this look? Please do let me know in the comments below, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.